Pinhole Camera 1. Take 5 pieces of cardboard and join them to make a rectangular box. Cover the open end with butter paper. Here, butter paper acts as a screen. On the face of the cardboard opposite to the screen, make a neat pinhole with the help of a needle. Make the interior black to minimize the reflection of light within the camera. Now our pinhole camera is ready. The pinhole camera works on the principle of rectilinear motion of light, which states that light travels in a straight line. When a ray of light from an object passes through a pinhole, the top portion of the object appears at the bottom portion of the screen, and the bottom portion of the object appears at the top portion of the screen. So we get an inverted image on the screen. To get an upright image of the object, the light coming from the top part of the object should fall on the top part of the screen, and the light coming from the bottom part of the object should fall on the bottom part of the screen. During this phenomenon, the light rays will have to bend. But this is not possible as the medium of propagation for light is the same inside and outside the camera. The light ray will travel in a straight line. That is, the light coming from top part of the object will fall on the bottom part of the screen, and light coming from the bottom part of the object will fall on the top part of the screen. Thus, an inverted image of the object is obtained.